Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change folder name in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the home page and here you can find several folder if it is created already. Here Samsung folder is available, Google folder, then another folder. If it is available, they will be showing. Only two folders are showing. So if you would like to another folder is available, Tasia. So if you would like to change the name of the folder, for example, if you would like to change the name of the Dacia folder, just click over the folder and Dacia will be showing here this text. Just click over this text and here you can rename. Okay, I rename it as Mingy. So Dacia is changed to Mingy. Okay, I would like to type in small letter and just type and click on done. And yes, now Dacia is renamed. Dacia folder name is changed to Mingy. Okay, so in this way you can easily change to other folder too. Here it is typed that Google. So here just you can type mine and click on done. Whatever you want to type, yes, you can do it. Just go back. Yes, in this way you can easily change folder name. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.